fertility-friendly sex lubricants. Many couples use personal lubricants to enhance the pleasure and comfort of intercourse. Did you know most commonly sold lubricants harm sperm, which can decrease the likelihood that sperm will be able to survive the difficult journey through the cervix and into the fallopian tubes to meet the egg for fertilization? If you're trying to conceive, it's important to use a fertility lubricant that is sperm-friendly. Sperm-friendly fertility lubricants. When it comes to choosing a lubricant when you are trying to get pregnant, the last thing that you want is a product that will harm sperm function. Because the stakes are so high for trying to conceive couples, the FDA brought attention to this issue by creating a special category known as the Peer B category for fertility-friendly lubricants. To be cleared by the FDA as a fertility lubricant, the product must be tested extensively to ensure that it is safe for sperm, eggs, and embryos. And once the products are on the market, the manufacturer of the fertility lubricant is required to test each batch of product to verify that it does not harm sperm motility, survival, or integrity. Unlike other commercially available sex lubricants, fertility lubricants are specifically tested to ensure that the lubricant has a similar pH and viscosity as semen and fertile quality cervical fluid, so that it provides a protective environment for sperm and will allow sperm to swim into and through the lubricant by matching the quality and consistency of cervical fluid. Fertility lubricants supplement your body's natural lubrication. Also, fertility lubricants are screened both at the time of production and throughout the shelf life of the lubricant for endotoxins, which are toxins produced by bacteria that may harm sperm and eggs, even at relatively low levels. Additionally, use the following tips to guide your selection so that your lubricant won't cause your baby's dancing efforts to be in vain. 1. Avoid lubricants with a low pH. 2. Avoid lubricants that contain small penetrating chemicals, for example glycerol or paraben preservatives. 3. Avoid confusing a lubricant labeled as non-spermicidal with an FDA-cleared fertility lubricant. 4. Avoid lubricants that are labeled as organic or natural but are not FDA-cleared as fertility lubricants. 5. Avoid using household oils. Fertility-friendly lubricants are available online at Amazon. Search and take your pick from what is available.